What's up, everybody? We're here at the Delaware and Raritan Canal State Park in New Jersey. We're doing a bike loop today from Bulls Island Recreation Area, starting and ending, going down the Pennsylvania side of the Delaware River and cutting across at the center bridge. This is an awesome place to bike, super flat. The loops have various lengths, so no matter what your skill level is, definitely a place for you. And we're gonna check it out. What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click down below to subscribe to my channel. You can also check out the sidebar to see more videos or to check out official channel merchandise. Thank you so much for the support, and as always, happy travels.